Before breakthrough happens in your marriage, there's often a breaking. Before restoration comes, there's often a resting. Maybe that's where you are now, in that quiet, in-between space. The tension, the stillness. But silence doesn't mean absence. Stillness doesn't mean God is stuck. Think back to the beginning. Adam was put to sleep. Not because he was lazy, but because God was about to do something supernatural, something beyond Adam's control. Genesis 2:21 says, "So the Lord God caused the man to fall into a deep sleep." While Adam slept, God worked. He didn't need Adam's permission, only his trust. Right now, maybe God is working quietly in your marriage too, not to punish you, but to position you. This isn't a problem you can fix with effort alone. This is heaven-sized healing. Are you trying to fix what only heaven can heal? This isn't passivity, it's positioning. You're not giving up. You're aligning with God's plan. Rest in faith, but rise in obedience. This is not the time to scroll in despair or speak defeat over your covenant. Declare this now. Lord, I believe you're working in me. If that speaks to you, comment, "Work in me, Lord," and let's stand together. 3 things you must do while God works on your marriage. Breakthrough doesn't come from standing by. It comes from partnering with God's work, even when you don't see it yet. Here's what you can do. 1. Pray for vision, not just victory. Don't just ask God to fix it. Ask Him to reveal His purpose, His heaven on earth. Proverbs 29:18 says, "Where there is no vision, the people perish." Ask God, "What do you see in my spouse?" Renew our vision. Remind me why you joined us. If this is your prayer, type, "Give me vision, Lord." 2. Tend your own garden. While God works on your spouse's heart, work on your own. Genesis 2:15 says, "The Lord God put man in the garden to work it and keep it." That means cultivating your soul, even in the hardest seasons. Here's how. Seek counseling. Speak blessings, not bitterness. Practice gratitude. Become the person you want your marriage to grow with. Say it now and comment, "Change me, Lord," before you change them. 3. Surround yourself with kingdom couples. Your circle shapes your covenant. Proverbs 13:20 says, "Walk with the wise and become wise." Avoid those who normalize divorce, drama, or disrespect. Instead, seek godly counsel, people who have weathered storms and still fight for marriage. If you're ready to build with those who build up, comment, "Kingdom couples only." What does God's work look like in marriage? It might not be loud or flashy, but there will be fruit. Conviction, not condemnation. Softening, not silence. Alignment, not anxiety. Growth, even with grief. Purpose, not pressure. Even if your spouse doesn't see it yet, you can be obedient. Marriage is 100%, even when the other is at 10. God doesn't need perfection. He needs your yes. If you believe God will multiply your obedience into restoration, type, "I'm giving God my 100. Don't confuse delay with denial, rest with resignation, or silence with absence. Isaiah 64:4 says, "No one has seen any God besides you who acts on behalf of those who wait for him." Waiting isn't weakness, it's faith in action. You're not losing your marriage, you're leaning on the one who sustains it. If you're standing in the gap for your marriage, declare boldly, "I'm resting in faith, not retreating in fear." If this message stirred you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and comment if you're standing in faith. Subscribe to Dovey Hearts to join a community fighting for what heaven joined together. Remember, when God writes the story, no chapter ends in defeat. The best is always yet to come.